guys, good morning and welcome back to ZAKYNTHOS. This is our amazing accommodation with one of the best views, I think, over Kalamaki. We're about 10 minutes outside of Kalamaki and we get to look right over the whole bay of Turtle Island, the whole of Kalamaki looking towards Laguna. It's an absolutely stunning place to stay. Very reasonably priced and it's got a lot to offer for the money. Nice little breakfast, beautiful balcony and huge rooms with everything you're going to need. Definitely worth checking out ZAKYNTHOS Village Accommodation. It is a fantastic little area. But today, we're going to start off by heading down to Kalamaki. We're going to go for a nice little walk down with Sean, have a quick coffee down at the beach like normal, get our morning steps in. We usually do about 5,000 or 6,000 steps in the morning for a little stroll, get our bodies going, come back, get sorted, have breakfast, and start our day. We're not quite sure what the plans are going to be for today. We'll have to play it by ear and see how we go. But first things first, always like to go for my nice morning walk. Keeps your body going, makes you feel good, gets you wanting some more food ready for the day. So with that, let's get started. Such a beautiful place to start the day. Oh, little kitty cats. Alright, so here we are going down the road. Luckily, as I say, it's only a sort of a 5 to 10 minute drive from where we're staying down to Kalamaki. Unfortunately, if you haven't got transport, it is going to be hard for you to get to Kalamaki. You can walk it, no problem. Obviously, you've got to walk on the main road from ZAKYNTHOS town down to Kalamaki, which can be quite busy and a little bit daunting, especially at night. So I think because we've had a car up until Sunday now, we're going to have a car for one more day, and then we're going to have a couple of days with no car. So I think we're going to try the walk ourselves. So I might actually do a video of the walk just to see how it is, see how long it takes. Yeah, it might be an interesting little stroll. I think it says about 25 minutes to walk it on a sat-nav. You're going to come down to Macala's restaurant, turn right and cut down through towards Redtail. So that's another way we can go rather than stay on the main road. I'm not too sure if it would be a more safe route or if it would actually be safer to stay on the main road. So I think that's something we can perhaps judge in the next couple of days. Maybe make a video of that and see how we get on. But yeah, so it's only a few minute drive and I'm back down to Kalamaki. I shall meet Sean at Costa's Pool Bar and we will probably do our usual of go to Crystal Beach, walk down to the far side of Kalamaki Beach at Blissessa's cafe and bar and then stroll on back up. It usually takes us about an hour to an hour and a half, something like that. It's a nice little walk, plenty to see along the way and it's yeah, it's lovely in the mornings on the bay of Kalamaki. Guys, we've arrived down at Nostos, where we're going to start our little stroll this morning, haven't we?
Yep.
You ready for your walk?
Really looking forward.
So we're going to have a quick look at Nostos, see the little shop and the little area. It's only a small place that you can stay, and you said last time you thought it was a lot of Dutch people here, wasn't it?
There were a lot of Dutch people
Yeah.
here last
So
time
maybe a lot of people from Holland or areas similar come here, but it's a lovely little place apparently. We can get a nice little coffee and chill for a bit, and it's not too busy. It's such a beautiful place, guys, this is, with a stunning view as well, overlooking the beach. So where the canopies are ahead of us, that's Mitzi sunbeds. Apparently they're only half the price of some of the other sunbeds on Kalamaki Beach, which 10 euros a pair is a lot better than 20 euros a pair. So if you come in down Kalamaki, and you want a sunbed, try Mitzi's, and then, you know, it's only sort of 20 or 30 meters back, and you'll be in this beautiful location to have some food and some drinks, and yeah, just a lovely setting in general. Okay.
Still little things.
You alright?
I think they're like little spikes, really.
Ah, I see.
Ow! I just snapped it off. Will it be alright?
Yeah.
Snapped it off in my foot. My
No,
toe.
it'll be fine.
Will it?
Yeah, we'll stand in the sea in a second. Slowly we'll get into it.
That'll be alright. Don't move it around.
Yeah, we'll get some soap water on it.
No. It's the beach.
Beautiful spot.
Is it,
I like how a few places have put flags up, like Cameo.
Yeah.
It's like trying to give it that same vibe. Wow, that's an old Toyota Starlet.
Really?
Beautiful little car.
Yeah.
Got many miles left in that one. Seen the light of day for one or two.
Like, there's the sign. Welcome to Mimi's.
Mimi's. Sorry guys, not Mitzi's. It's Mimi's. Yeah. I love it. Yeah, yes.
Ah, we'll be in touch.
Ha- Love it.
Drifting.
Thank you. Yeah, take it to the track tonight. Brilliant chap. Telling me I could pay him €100 a day to hire his little Toyota Starlet. So yeah, the guy was trying to offer me his little red Toyota Starlet for €100 a day on hire, which is quite funny because it's probably worth €100. Well, here it's probably worth a lot more than that, but in the UK it wouldn't be. But at Mimi's, we're just going to walk through. Seems quite busy already, and it's not even 9 o'clock yet, is it? Loads of people here, and it's before 9. So if you want to come down and get one of the front beds, you might have to come down a little bit earlier, but obviously in a lot of use for everybody. It does also include a snack bar, a shower, and all the other bits that you're going to need while you're here. And it's only a very short walk, and you're straight onto the beach. Where all the turtle nests are. There's a lot of turtles this year, isn't it?
Yes.
It seems there's a lot more than the last sort of 3 or 4 years.
Yep.
There's literally, they're everywhere at the top end.
Yep. And further down as well.
Beautiful, that way?
Yep.
Let's go. I've not seen it this busy before for a long time. But I think we're a bit later today, though, aren't we?
We are, definitely.
We're like 45 minutes later.
Yep.
Oh, these shoes are going to have to come off. I can't walk in these. Yeah, dunk your toe in the water just to be on the safe side. Oh, look how calm the water is again. I love having a little stroll down the beach in the mornings and seeing the planes come in. It's brilliant. It's very busy, the bottom of Kalamaki, isn't it?
People enjoying the sea.
Sorry?
People enjoying the swim.
This is it, which you don't normally see in 9 o'clock in the morning at home, do you?
No.
Nobody's usually in the water at 9 a.m. Oh, I suppose you get a few people in random places.
It's really busy there.
It is. Would you want to go airport cafe for coffee if it's too busy?
Yeah, coffee definitely.
Coffee at airport?
That's fine by me.
Yeah.
Or police if you want.
Well, we'll see how busy it
We'll
is.
see how many seats are taken on the front.
If it's no issues, yeah, we'll take it. But
You have to sit inside,
no, that's not for me. Not, it might just fit on that. So what are you guys doing today?
Sunday is a lazy day.
Yes?
Might go for shopping then.
Or what? Around here or town?
I'm thinking I might need to pop over to Lidl.
Okay.
Some supplies, some shower gels, some bits and bobs.
Okay, do you want me to check if Steve wants to go? We'll all go.
Oh yeah, that'd be fab.
Save you getting any other way there, won't
Oh,
it?
that'd be excellent.
Yeah? I'll check with him first. If not, we can nip up and do it. Do anything.
What time?
Well, we haven't got anything planned today, so we can do it on the way out or something anyway.
Oh, that'd be great.
Was it anything like dairy or food based or anything like that you
Maybe
need?
bits and bobs for the fridge as well.
Okay,
yeah.
for the fridge, that's fine. So it'll be fridge and back then.
Once one of their lovely bakes is in the pot, covered there.
Well, then we'll have to come, so I'm going to try some of these new foods. I've never been to Lidl, so it'll be...
We do a spanner cocktail and it's around 83 cents.
Right, I'm sold.
Absolutely warm when he brings home. So.
I'm sold, I want one.
Yeah.
It's less than a pound and less than a pound and it's warm food, so I'm there.
So yes, can do that.
Yeah.
Get ready for our trip tomorrow then.
Yeah, that's it, yeah. And like I say then, one less thing to do for tomorrow,
Yeah.
because we'll have it done today.
I'm looking forward to that tomorrow.
Yeah, I am looking forward to tomorrow.
Pedalo's here.
Got everything, haven't they? A dragon pedalo.
Ooh, must be for Welsh people only.
Brilliant. I didn't actually think of that bit, but it's a great term.
Oh. There's a monsieur.
Sorry?
Monsieur there on the beach.
I know, it's so busy here as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
They say all these after sunbeds are taken up already. It's only just 9 o'clock.
I can't believe it.
Crazy, crazy how many people.
Yes. A lot of people are bringing their own umbrellas now, aren't they?
Yeah, look at there, like you say, prime example there, isn't it?
There's a nice spot actually there as well.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Nice place for a sunbed.
Yeah.
No sign of prices here though.
We've actually got cantina over
Ah,
there
yeah,
as
the little
well.
canteen in the top corner.
Yeah.
Ah, yeah. So there's there's better reason to be here as well, isn't there?
I think there's a portal behind there.
Ah, okay, that makes a difference.
So I think
'Cause some places don't have that sort of thing, do they? I won't get the little one on film just in case. Not everybody likes
yes,
it.
I know. So cute.
Yeah, that's it. But not everyone wants their little ones on film, do they? So I'll keep the camera off for little kiddios.
At least this is in sight.
Yes, this is it. But it looks very busy there too. Like I say, it's crazy how busy it is for the time. I've never seen it this busy before.
No, I've not.
But I suppose again, I think usually we're a bit earlier, aren't we?
Yeah.
It's usually sort of the 8 o'clockish mark.
Actually busy for September down this beach.
True, yeah.
It's so quiet in the nights in September, it's like a trek.
That's a valid point, yeah.
Yeah.
Looks like the ground is growing further and further to the beach. It's reclaiming its beach.
More turtles.
Yeah, plenty around, isn't there? Lifeguards are on show, which is good, because there's plenty of people out and about in the water. A few people, isn't it?
Yeah.
Keeping on top of all the numbers, which is what we like. Safety for the turtles is number one. Exchange of good.
Right, so there are a few seats there.
There is plenty of seating in there. It's busy, but there's plenty of seats. Yeah, happy there?
Decisions now, coffee or cold drink.
That is the question. That is the question.
Everything's a
Cheers.